Pretty young thing, where you get your style from? You look like a real one. You should be around one. You should be around more. We can have some wild fun. Tell them what to do is quick. Time to throw the towel.
Hey love bugs, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm open to any recommendations, so please comment below. As you can see, I'm just going through and showing you guys what my hair looks like. I'm actually gonna take you guys with me. Hopefully we can find something at Target I can use to wash and successfully retwist my hair. Okay, so I've been walking back and forth for a while and I could not find anything. I was trying to avoid gels. Just to give you guys a little background, I am currently 2 months into my loc journey, and this is the first time I'll actually be washing my hair by myself. The first time was, first I got my hair done in the Coil method, and it was styled in an updo. Make sure you watch my old video. I'll put the link and everything in the description below. And then about 2 to 3 weeks later, I got it washed and styled again for my birthday. And this is a whole 2 months since my first coil, and I'm gonna attempt to wash my hair by myself. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do, as you can see, I sectioned it off and had the top and the bottom, and I'm just gonna make sure that I saturate my hair. Not really sure I know what I'm doing.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
But I just want to make sure that I don't fully untwist anything that I have. This is what my hair looked like from the back. I'm just trying to make sure I run my fingers through and I get everything nice and wet. I'm gonna use Shea Moisture's black castor oil shampoo. That was one of the only things that I was able to find at Target. So I'm gonna go, yeah, it wasn't opened. I forgot. Did it take me a while?
Are you done? Are you done?
No. Look at me. Go ahead, sis. Show that shampoo. Okay. So here we go. I'm just gonna massage that in. You know how people wash their hair and stuff. I don't think it smelled good, but to each his own. And yeah. Low-key got soap in my eye. I mean, shampoo in my eye.
AB on the track, yeah.
And here's a better view of what the back of my head looked like when I actually rinsed out all the soap. Well, kind of rinse out all the soap, but I just wanted to make sure my parts were still there, but it didn't look that bad. I just want y'all to understand, you might look at me and be like, yo, why she keep putting a part into a scrunchie and then doing the other side? Dude, I was low-key, I wasn't low-key, I was high-key mad nervous because I'm like, if my hair gets tangled up, I'm in quarantine, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna walk around looking pretty. I'm not going nowhere. Funny. Alright, so we're just gonna bang out the front of my hair real quick. By this point, y'all, I definitely got mad shampoo in my eye. Whole time I'm over here thinking, how do these other YouTubers record washing their hair and not get soap in their eye? Or not get shampoo in their eye? But then again, like my little hairs in the front was just flinging. So we're all done, and I'm gonna attempt my first retwist. I've always towel dried my hair, so I'm just gonna use a towel to get it kind of dry. Y'all, at this point, I don't even know what to do, where to start. I don't know. So I figured I'd just start on the side since it's easier to see. Not too sure if it's easier to do, but yeah. So for this retwist, I'll be using that spray and their braid and lock butter, but just a little bit because I didn't want to have that white residue or too much product in my hair. So after spraying the section, I put a little bit of the butter in my fingers, and then I parted it, and then you can see me here just twisting it out. And then once I got to the end, I tried to palm roll it, but who knows if I even did that right. But whatever, it looked okay to me. And put the clip in. That I also put a clip at the end. I didn't want any unraveling to happen, and you don't want to just retwist like at the root. You want to do the whole thing, so I used the clip to keep it all together. Now I'm just gonna go through and finish the front just using the same method, twisting and then palm rolling at the end. I don't have one of those dryers where I could sit under. I don't know if people still have them in their house or not, but a blow dryer is gonna have to do. Alright y'all, finally after drying my hair for a minute, I took out the last clips. Plus it was kind of late, so I was just over it. But I'm kind of happy how my hair turned out. I feel like it could have been twisted a little bit more at the roots, but I didn't want to put a lot of product in it. So I'm just going to finish up drying it a little bit and then I will show you guys the end result. I think I did a good job for it being my first time doing my own hair. Plus, I had to use like a random product. I've included a clip of how I usually do my hair. This is basically like my go-to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.